Hi my sisters, happy 21st birthday, Shans and Nanc too. This is dedicated to both of yous. I love yous heaps and I hope you like this. I can't really play it properly, but I'll try because I suck on the guitar. Anyway, love yous heaps. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made, it usually doesn't rain in South Island. I needed much like Drew told you. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they ball when I'm thinking about you. You know, I've been thinking about you. You know, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Oh, yeah. Do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever. Yes, I remember. How could I forget how you feel? And even though you were my first one, a new deal, it don't ever get on my soul, not in my spirit. Keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Oh, yeah. Do you not think so far ahead? Been thinking about forever. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no. Thinking about forever. Happy birthday, love yous.